Yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Yeah. I can't let him take my soul.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Blessing Diaries. As you can see guys, today I'm back again with another bang of a video. So today guys, we are going to try a new thing that I've never done before, and I'm going to be doing it with you guys. I am going to be installing my frontal wig for the first time, so I hope it will come out so beautiful. So let's get into it guys. This wig I get it from AliExpress. Yeah, it's not a paid promotion. I just saw the wig guys and the color, I just loved it. I said let me buy it and try it. Yeah, so today we are going to do it together. Let's see how it will come out. So I hope everything will go well because this is my very first time installing wig. I have some wigs that I can just put them and I don't need to put some glue or to do something. Yeah, but this one today I just decided to install it. Yeah, you can see guys how beautiful it is. It's so soft. Yeah, I love the color. So you can see guys, this wig it comes with a pack of eyelashes. So I am going to rock my eyelashes with this wig. So let's just wait for the results and see how it will be. Yeah, and it comes with 2 packs of caps. So this one I already use it. I've been using it, yeah, for some other wigs. So now I'm going to be using this got to be glue and this spray, yeah, and this music news, or yeah, something like that. So I have all the equipment with me here prepared guys. I used to see these things some girls doing, so let's get started. So yeah, first of all guys, let's put some oil on my head. Yeah, because I am so scared. I wish everything come out so well. So you guys stay tuned and see how I did this thing.
I bet you don't even know my name, but that's okay, I can't blame you.
So you can see guys, here I just decided to go and get the new cap so that everything will just come out so perfectly, because I don't trust this old one, so I have to go for this new one since I'm doing this thing for the first time. Yeah, so let's see. And the confusion have started to hitting me. Do I have to cover my ears or I have to leave them outside? I don't know. I'll see there. So let's see guys.
If I could be somebody else, I would be your Romeo, and I would never let you go. Maybe I could be your stranger.
This was so fun guys to do it. At this point I didn't wait for this time of cutting this cap because you can see I pulled it all through my eyes and it was so painful here in my eyes. Here I was like, oh no. So this was a relief time for me when I cut this cap. So ooh, but I was telling myself that you got this baby girl. So let's see guys.
And if it was you and me, then I would laugh with you all night. Take my chance. hands and hold you close, and I'll follow you back home. If I could be somebody else, I would be your Romeo, and I would never let you go. Maybe I could be your stranger. Maybe I could be your stranger. Oh, come.
At this point, guys, you can see how I was struggling with this corner. Oh, it really gives me hard time. Oh no, I was like saying help. Yeah, it really gives me hard time, this corner. I didn't even know what to do, but at the end I did it. Last, everybody go chop breakfast. And one thing about me, guys, I hate to be defeated. I was feeling like this wig installing thing is defeating me. I was so angry, you know. I was even burning myself, you can see. Oh no, but I said I'm not giving up. I have to do it. Yeah.
And now you laugh with me all night. Took my chance and held you close, and I followed you back home. No need to be somebody else. I can be your Romeo, and I will never let you go.
At this point, guys, I was looking at myself in the mirror. I was like, you have done it, baby girl. I was so excited about the results, and I was so deciding, like, do I have to leave it like this, or what should I do? Then I decided to come up with this style. So wait and see for the style, guys. So now guys, I am done. I was done with installing my wig, and my sister, she was here with the kids. And one thing about my family, guys, everything that I do, they hype me. Hey, they can hype me, and then I feel like that queen I think I am. You just wait and see. You will hear what my nephew and my niece, they were saying about me doing this thing. So yeah.
What are you doing? Auntie just started the video. Just looking how the lighting is from here.
Okay, come and see then. Come and see if the lighting is okay. Come and see.
How?
Is it okay, the lighting? Come. How is it, Yo-Yo? Rate it 10 out of 10.
1,000 out of 10.
Huh? 1,000 out of 10? Yeah. Shwesta, 10 out of 10.
No, I want to go.
I know. Vuvu, come. Vuvu, 10 out of 10.
110.
100 out of 10. Yeah.
Auntie, was it rate Auntie's outfit? For that.
Oh, and my outfit. So you can hear, guys, they are giving me
I have
all
to keep
the
it down
points.
then.
They even want to rate my outfit. Oh.
Was it rate Auntie's outfit?
20 out of 20.
I say 10 out of 10.
And Vuvu?
19 from 20.
Where's another one?
The top I just don't like.
You don't like the top. You want me to wear polo?
Yeah. Oh, me, I love the top.
Thank you, Yo.
Guys, for that you guys must put the apple button.
It's subscribe button. Some of them, they don't understand German.
Yeah. Okay, then the subscribe button and the like button.
And comment as well.
Yeah.
So, you heard for yourself, guys. Thank you.
Show me love, put your body on top of mine and hold me like you'll never let me go. It feels like I've been giving you the best of me and you just keep on letting me down. I can't taste it with your lips on mine that you don't love